Munich. Shanks as well.
I no. I played Buggy.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
classy. Yeah.
So, so what do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer. Well, technically, I'm a software technical lead. So I basically work on Sky, which is a media company. I think there is in Austria, but it's a bit small. I think they have that called
I
Sky
think
X.
it's called Horizon in
It's
Austria.
possible. Yeah,
It's like the TV premium
that's
TV.
it. Yeah, it's like
Oh,
cable,
very nice.
expensive cable TV, basically.
Uh, and
And
on what kind of technologies are you working?
on iPhone and Apple TV, so basically Apple ecosystems, the
So
players for that kind of stuff. Like
okay,
my
so
team, yeah,
mobile
handles that.
development.
Yeah, basically, but
Are
focused
you
on
developing
TV.
natively or are you using any kind of
Natively,
I don't
everything
know.
with Swift and yeah, that's
Okay.
it. Basically, the Apple ecosystems. What about you?
I do. I'm an IT architect, so
Oh, nice. Yeah.
for a Spanish bank called Santander. So
Oh, no way. My wife used to
yeah.
work in Santander, actually, and I have some friends still working there nowadays, in the UK
Nice,
branches. But yeah, that's cool.
nice. Okay,
Uh,
how do you want me to cut my deck?
from my end, I don't need to cut it, but same
Yeah,
for you. Yeah.
same for you.
Okay,
Okay.
good stuff. Best of luck.
So I'm first, right?
Yeah, that's it.
This is everything except a good hand for starting. Like, watch that.
Oh my god. Yeah, you might just die.
Yes.
Yeah, I will keep this one. It's has like two of the things I need, so I'm happy with that.
Okay, so it's a stage and the ETG. What else?
Big surprises. Yeah. Yeah, I played the game against like a friend on Sax here like last week, and I didn't see either um, small Ichiji, big Reiju, stage, or Sanji the whole game. I was playing
Ah,
Foxy Pirates Tribal after the mulligan. That was like genuinely the worst game I've played in my life. Yeah,
yeah, games like this happen.
yeah, it's a really cool deck, but it's true that sometimes it just decides not to deck, and it's frustrating.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's not that consistent.
Yeah,
That's
I'm hoping that the
okay.
new Reiju helps a lot. Okay, let's go for it. Good luck.
So I go for a Nami and do a search of the top five.
All right.
I will pick a Luffy
Hmm.
and I pass turn to you.
Okay, I'll draw my card for turn. Get rid of two down there, and I will play my stage.
Oh, what a surprise!
Yeah, shocking. And now I'm gonna get rid of a chopper. Take a look at the top five. Three, sorry, not five. And that's gonna be the big Ichiji.
Hmm hmm
And yeah, that's gonna be my turn. You go.
Okay, I go 5 to leader.
I will take that one. Not trigger.
And for free, I will play a Sanji and pass turn to you.
Hmm. I will get rid of the Ichiji from before. Take a look at the top
Hmm
three. And take a Sanji.
hmm
I will play said Sanji and take a look at the top five. And pick up a 2k.
hmm
And I will be playing a Porch. Going down -1. Take a look at the top five. Missing. And playing a chopper to recover a Dawn. And that's gonna be my turn. You go.
Just a second.
Yeah, yeah, all good. Sorry, I hadn't realized you were on the phone.
No
Too
issue,
focused on
no
my turn.
issue. I drop a turn. I go 6 to leader.
I will give you the Sora I picked up.
Mm-hmm. I go 6 to leader again. I attach 1 to my leader.
I will take that one. No trigger.
6 to leader again.
And I'll give you another 2k.
Your turn.
Okay, I will be getting rid of a Reiju. Take a look at the top 3.
Give me your Ichiji, baby.
A big HG.
I need the small one.
You need the small one. Yeah, let's start with the small one. And don't -1. Get the HG going. And we're gonna get that Luffy down to a 4k. Draw a card of leader ability.
How many cards in hand do you have, by the way?
5. Not
Okay.
a lot. And we're gonna go a 5k into your 4k Luffy with Reiju.
I give you a 2k.
That makes sense. I'm gonna go a 5k again.
You can have it.
I'm gonna go a 7k into life.
I take that one. No trigger.
And I will play a small Reiju to the big Reiju and draw 2 cards. Oh, sorry, that comes with a Black Maria attached, but not really. And that's gonna be my turn. You go.
Cards in hand.
6.
Turn. We go 6 to leader.
I'll give you a 2k.
We go 5 to leader.
And a 1k.
We are going to trash your Reiju.
Oh.
Your turn.
Sure thing. I'm gonna get rid of my Ichiji big. We got big Ichiji, a big Reiju in trash, and then one small of each as well. And take a look at the top 3. No interesting decisions here. We picking up a Cosette. I'm gonna go 6 into life with Porch.
I give you a 2k.
Yeah. I'm gonna go 7 into life with Ichiji.
I take no trigger.
And I will play another Ichiji and on -1 to recover the big dude and get the Sanji down to a 1k and draw a card of leader ability. And we're gonna go a 2k into a 1k with Sanji. Yeah.
Effect and give you a 1k.
Okay, that is fun. That is fun. I'll go 5 into life with Reiju.
Give you a 2k.
Okay, and 7 into life with Ichiji.
I take no trigger.
And I will play the Cosette from before over the Sanji and pass turn.
What does it do?
If you have 2 or more than me, it's a blocker. So if you have 7 or more done, which happens to be the case, it's a blocker.
I drop a turn.
Mhm.
What are we going to do? I think we go 6 to leader. That's the first thing.
That's fair. I'll give you a 2k. Down to 3 in hand.
We are going to give one of your Rayleigh minus, one of your EGG -3, the other one -2.
So it's a 4 and a 5.
And we are going to KO your Tony Chopper.
Poor Chopper, he's not done anything.
Then we are going to hit 6 into life.
Yep.
And 7 into your Porsche.
Into Porch.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you the block.
Yeah, your turn.
Cards in hand?
4 in hand, yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. I'll start going 6 into life with Porch.
I will give you a 2k.
Okay. I'll go 6 once more. With leader.
Take, not trigger.
Fair enough. I will play a Gamma Knife into your Beckman. Don -1 in to get him down to a 2k. And drawing a card of leader ability. And I will be going 4k into your 2k Beckman. With EGG.
Okay, Beckman. That?
Yeah, it is mean, isn't it? I'm gonna get rid of a Reiju. Take a look at the top 3. Pick up a Reiju.
Yes, that's what you need. That is what you need.
Kind of. Kind of. I'll go 5 into your Sanji.
On KO, I pick a card.
Yep. And I will be playing a Tony Chopper to recover a Don and pass.
Cards in hand?
As many as 4.
As many as 4, I think. We go 9 to leader.
That is terrifying. I'll give you a block. Yep.
8 to leader.
Cards in hand?
I got 5.
Okay. No trigger.
And we go 9 to leader.
7, 8, 9, and 10.
And we pass turn to you.
Sure thing.
Actually, it's GG. So we can directly skip to the next one.
Yeah, that's fair. Ooh, 2k, what do you have in hand? Ooh, oh my god.
I had like 2 times unblockable. I was like hoping you will take the first one.
Oh no. I know well enough that I'm not eating that guy. It's it's cool. I think maybe if you go 8 rather than 9, but 9 is just enough value of the chopper. But wow.
Yeah. So maybe I should just swung like 8 9 9. I think that would have been better maybe, but you
Yeah,
have been anyways able to counter it, so
yeah.
that was like my best out.
Mhm. Yeah, I think even with the 9-9, but like the 9 forces the blocker out, and then Dragon does like stupid things as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I needed to place the blocker. Like it's almost imperative to be able to buy that time. Like even if the rage is super tempting. Okay, you get to choose who goes first now.
Hmm. I think I would like to go first again, to be honest, because just it's my better curve.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah, I think like I'm
Actually,
basically deciding without
I
knowing if you're
thought you also
playing.
want to go first.
Yeah. Like I'm not sure if you're on the control version or the other one, and the other one I get to fight forward a tiny bit, and the gamma knives help with the straw
Mm.
hats and all that. So I think in general I've been playing around with it a bit. Like most of my control opponents have always been picking to go second, and I think I've only done won the die roll once against Shanks in like 3 weeks. So
I never win dice roll, so
oh, by the way, I forgot to ask how did Baggy perform on Munich?
yeah, I went 7-3.
Wow, nice. Top
Uh,
128, getting that nice gold on.
yeah, of course, of course.
Well, my brother went 7-3 and he was genuinely number 128. So,
Ah, nice one.
yeah, not bad actually. Did you catch a lot of people by surprise with the 7 cost?
Yeah, and I like did not face a single Doffy. So,
Oh my god, that's unfortunate.
but yeah, shit happens.
Yeah,
Okay, so I will just
yep,
open a
same
bit.
thing. Okay, so you are going first again.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
I have a mulligan.
Oh my god. Okay, so I need to keep this one, but I'm actually gonna take a picture of it just to record the moment because it's high risk, high reward. I'll send it to you later.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bit wild. Are you planning on going to any of the other ones or live to BC as well?
So currently, actually, no plans.
Okay.
I will go to Japan next month.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's yeah, that's the reason why I did not manage to get like tickets for other things.
Yeah, that does make total sense.
Because okay, I will directly open up with an Ami again.
Okay, fair enough. Oh, that's a nicer one though.
I will pick that one.
Okay, I need to be ready for that one
And
then.
I have last turn to you.
Thank you. I'll drop a turn and start with a stage, which is why I need to keep it and get rid of an Ichiji.
You got like three GGs in hand, I guess.
I don't
Three
know.
big ones.
And I'll get a radio.
But
And
if
we
you
go.
have stage in hand, everything is keepable, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much. This deck just needs to get there and pass.
Mhm. Draw turn. I'll go 5 to leader.
I'll give you the radio.
I will pay a Sanji and pass turn to you.
Fair enough. I'll go get rid of an Ichi again. And I'll take a Reiju.
Mhm.
He's kind of fun. And now decisions. think this
Yes,
is the right decision.
this is always the right
Yeah,
decision.
I'll go down -1, play the HG, leader ability to draw a
Mm,
card. Your Sanji is a 1k standing, and 7 at
yes.
life.
I take no trigger.
And I'll pass.
Mm.
I'm not giving you decisions to like get more stuff or not. That's not a me problem.
I draw turn.
Hmm.
Oh my god, I'm so bad actually. I'm so bad. Oh no, I'm
Ooh,
not bad.
no, you
I
got it.
KO your I KO your ETG.
That's not that bad.
I thought to trigger it, but it was not possible because
Oh yeah,
in
yeah,
your
no, no, no,
turn,
no, no. That's
yeah, yeah. Okay, then we go 6 to leader.
I'll give you 2k.
I go 6 to leader again.
And that one I will be eating. Tasty.
Eat good, my friend. Eat good. It's your turn.
Sure thing. Okay. And the third one joins the party to find the fourth one because I don't have many choices. And let's see. Okay, let's do the thing. Don -1 to recover him. Draw
Mhm.
one of leader ability. Make your Sanji a overpowering 1k this turn and get rush.
Okay, okay.
And we're gonna go 7 into life.
I'm going to use leader ability and give you a
Hmm.
2K.
Yeah, and I'll go at the Sanji. 5 into 1.
Uh, on KO, I'll draw
Draw
a
a card.
card.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
Mhm.
I'll play Sanji, take a look at the top 5,
Mhm.
and be unsurprising
Oh,
as well.
okay.
Actually, like that.
Nice.
And I will pass turn.
Cards in hand.
As many as 6.
Okay. We'll do one for enemy search.
Hmm.
We are going to pick a chopper.
Fair enough. That is a good one.
We are going to hit you 6 into your face.
And I will give you a 2k.
We are going to hit you again 6 in your face.
Ooh, that is fun. I will take that one. No trigger.
And give the turn to you.
Okay, let's get rid of the Ichiji again, because we can.
Why not?
Because we can, and I will be taking a Sora.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, the other way around. And I will be playing a Gamma Knife. Sorry, this is not been used yet, but it's gonna be used now. Getting your Luffy to a 1k and
Mm-hmm.
throwing one for leader ability.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna go. Hmm, that's fun. We're gonna go 3 into your 1.
3 into my 1.
3 into your 1.
Okay, I think you have a Porsche into Ichiji.
Maybe.
Yeah, you can have it.
Okay, that's fair enough. We're gonna go 7 at life with Ichiji.
leader effect, 2K.
Hmm. We're gonna go 5 at life.
Did you swing? Because I cannot hear you
Oh, sorry,
anymore.
5 at life with leader.
I'll give you 1K.
Yeah. I'm gonna be paying 1 with Sora to get rid of Mr. Judge and recover an Ichi from trash. And then I will be paying 2 to Don -1 Reiju to Reiju. And since I have exactly 5 in hand now, draw 2 cards of offer.
Okay.
And pass turn.
We go 7 to leader.
I will take. No trigger.
And we will trash your Rachel.
Yep.
And pass turn to you.
Sure thing. I'm gonna be getting rid of a stage. Take a look at the top 3. Take a stage. It's mildly unfortunate. We'll be playing a Sanji.
Nick, you have like 8 cards in hand, right?
I got exactly 8 now, plus the one I'm gonna draw up to 9, which is a lot of cards in hand.
Too much cards in hand.
Yeah, a tiny bit too many. Thinking. I'll take another Sanji of the Sanji. He's super fun.
Okay.
I'll start with 7 at life with Ichiji.
I will effect and give you a 2K.
Yeah. And cards in hand 3, 4.
3.
Okay. I'm gonna play the other Sanji. And pick up a Cosette. I'll go 5 into life with leader.
I'll give you a 1K.
I'll go 5 into life with this Sanji that can attack.
I take that one.
Yeah. And I will replace my Sora with a Cosette. And pass turn.
Cards in hand, like 20.
8. Ooh, fun.
Roll it like this. We go 7 to leader.
I'll give you a 2K and a 1K. Let me just reorder this
We
as
go
well.
9 to leader.
Okay.
9 to leader.
Yep.
with
Yeah, yeah,
a
yeah.
leader.
I'll give you the block with Cosette.
You have three done? No, six done.
6 done. Yeah, sorry, 3 here, 3 here. I'll go up to 8 next time.
Yeah, we go 9-2 leader again.
Yep, taking that one. No trigger.
Your turn.
Cards in hand.
Three.
Woohoo.
And three life.
3 and 3 life. I don't think I have lethal here, so I'm not gonna go in that direction. I don't think.
How many cards in hand do you have?
8 right now.
Okay.
8 right now. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is not looking great for me.
It depends.
Does it though? Not sure it depends that much. Okay, let me start by gamma knifing by Dawn minus oneing, and that's gonna be a gamma
Hate this
knife
card.
on yeah, I know, on dragon. Okay, so dragon is 4k.
4.
Yeah,
Okay.
and draw a card of leader ability.
Mm.
Not exactly what I wanted. I'll get rid of stage. Take a look at the top 3. And Fizz.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now I'm in trouble.
Where is your blocker?
Mm-hmm. Precisely. Precisely.
I mean, technically, you could play HG on the blocker, so.
I could, but it's not happening right now. I'm gonna play Ichiji and just Ichiji.
Mm.
And that's gonna get Dragon down to 2k.
Yes, okay.
And I'm gonna start the attack of the Sanjis on Dragon.
Dragon gun.
Okay, fair enough.
Cards in hand?
As many as 6.
6, okay.
I'll start with 5 into life.
Leader ability.
Okay. I'll go 7 into Beckman.
Damn. I should have taken that.
I'll go 7 into Beckman again.
Beckman dead.
Okay, and now I'm gonna do a desperate play. Don't minus 1. 5 cards in hand to play Reiju and draw 2. And pass my
Damn,
turn
son.
with 7 in hand.
Okay. I just go YOLO onto it and do
15.
15.
Yeah, I only got 11, 12, 13, and two bricks. GG, let's go for the third one.
Nice one. Yeah, look at my hand.
Ooh. Ooh. What were the life? Okay, no, you
Yeah,
survived that
no.
one. Even if I go for lethal, it's just a bit much.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because I can go only like 5, 7, 7, like maybe 6, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna go first this time, see how the curve goes slightly differently.
Okay.
Oh man.
And are you happy with Sky?
It's a really good company with work-life balance, but right now the project I'm on, I just feel a bit like I'm everyone's babysitter. So I'm kind of hoping to find a decent change and get to work with some more talented people. We got bought by an American company a couple of years ago, and we started rejoining everything with our US counterparts. And like, there's a lot of marketing and not that much marketed, to say it a bit softly.
Classic, classic. So I was actually working always in the banking industry,
Hmm.
and the last bank where I was working for was got also bought by like Cerberus,
Mm.
which is like the biggest
Yeah.
investment company in America.
Yeah.
And they just started like to send their managers over from Stanford University, and
Yeah.
it's just like they're playing like bullshit bingo. It's
Basically.
like a
Buzzword bingo all
container,
the
and
time. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Containers were raising back then, like Kubernetes, OpenShift, and stuff like this.
Hmm.
And they were like, we need OpenShift and cloud now.
Yeah.
And I was
Yeah.
like, dude, in Austria you have regulations. Like you cannot spread data to American companies if you like to. So
Yeah, no, data management is a bit more strict over here. We need to follow due process and make sure that nothing gets leaked because we're all in trouble. Yeah. Yeah, no, we're getting a lot of like push for basically AI all the time on everything. Like
yeah,
right
but
now, and it's
to be honest, what do you want to do with AI?
yeah,
The only thing you could do on Sky with AI is just like recommendations what to watch
that's it. Maybe
on,
some
on
advertising,
the
but
app
it's
side. On the
outsourced.
app side, yeah.
Yeah.
But to be honest, like yeah,
Yeah.
I think on the front end side you cannot really do something like this. Maybe just user metrics collection and
Hmm.
uh, learning based on that one, but that's it.
Yeah, on the data side, it would be kind of a bit more useful, but it's not like that big a deal. And like right now, they're even like trying to track how much we use Copilot and generating reports for managers and stuff. So it's
What the fuck? I mean, it took me a lot of discussions with management to got paid, so they pay like
the Copilot license.
pilot licenses,
Yeah.
and it's really helping the developers a lot.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, no, it's definitely a super useful tool. But like I feel like every developer also needs to like learn how to use it and everything. Like now we're getting a lot of info. Oh yeah, we need to make a Copilot like a pull request reviewer for everyone, and that way we don't need to do pull requests reviews anymore. It's like, well, do we?
but
um,
the only shit about Copilot is like if your code base sucks, Copilot also sucks. So
yeah, that's kind of the problem right now. So it's a composite problem, right? Like if I need to babysit everyone and everyone has like basically a machine gun to generate code super quickly that they're not gonna read.
so did you hear about wipe coding?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
I can't understand people like enforcing
yeah,
that shit. Like, come
it's
on,
wild.
you're killing your systems like in the next 2 years.
Yeah, I think basically before someone gets to use AI effectively, they need to be able to use Stack Overflow effectively. If someone doesn't get
Yeah,
past that point,
exactly.
it's like, ooh,
I mean,
maybe
it's like
use it for
I always
learning.
tell people I'm not good at like I don't know programming coding. I'm just good at Googling, and
Hmm.
I think that it's like if you can Google
Yeah,
like just in a okayish manner, I think you're a good engineer. So
that is 100% the case. And actually, I think that's the scariest like hidden problem with AI. I feel like we're gonna be becoming a lot worse at Googling as a as an industry.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I was also developing for a time iOS
Hmm.
apps, and I was like, React Native was like
The big
cutting
thing.
edge
Yeah.
back then, and I was like introducing it, and it was like pretty good because it
Mhm.
was just possible because the it was not coded in Swift, it was coded like in C,
Yeah, directly compares to C.
and yeah, and you could like just quickly add some 2 or 3 screens. You just needed to implement the bridges, and it went
Yeah.
pretty well, to be honest.
I think if you set the right boundaries, that's super useful. It's just in my case, like we've always been basically a video playback application with some catalog on top, right? So
Yeah,
like all of the video playback side of things, it's really difficult to multi-platform. We did do a bit of Kotlin multi-platform, which was basically the same concept as React Native, but written on Kotlin and a bit less focused
yeah.
on the UI and a bit more on like sharing business logic and the whole thing. Ooh, this is gonna be an interesting game.
This is
Uh,
really going to be an interesting game. Yeah.
yeah, and yeah, basically it worked really well until it started showing some of the native differences, and we had some problems with threading, where like everything in Kotlin needed to be used from the same thread, but on iOS you cannot guarantee same thread usage even when
Yeah,
using
yeah,
queues,
yeah, yeah.
unless you use one specific thread, which is the UI thread. So that was like super
Yeah, and then you
interesting.
have like other performance issues.
Yeah, so we'll get back to this afterwards. It's an interesting conversation. You go.
You go.
Okay. Oh man, this is not gonna be great. Eight alive.
I guess I take.
You go.
Pull trigger. I draw a turn.
Hmm.
Hmm, this is going really to be interesting. We go 5 to leader.
I'll give you 1K.
For 4, we are going to play a lucky rook.
Okay, that's
Turn to you.
definitely interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Can you help me solve my problem?
Give me that stage. Give me that stage. Can Sanji search the stage?
It
I'm not sure.
can. Basically any Yerma card. It's leader locked,
Uh,
but it's any Yerma card. Oh my god, this is not what I want to be being right now, but I guess this is where I am.
hmm, give me
Actually,
that.
the other way around. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Give me that small EGG into big EGG.
I'm gonna start with the 5 at face and see what you do. Maybe you will.
I'm going to use leader ability.
Oh no, that's sad. And yeah, I'm gonna give you exactly that because I'm kind of toast. Okay, let's make that a 3K. Draw a card of leader ability
Hmm.
and go 7 at life.
How many cards in hand?
As
Let's
many as
start with
4.
this. As many as 4.
And they're not great, I promise.
I'm going to block and kill your blocker.
Oh no. Okay, that's fair. You go. This is a weird game.
I draw a turn. This is really a weird game. Um, we're going to play Otama, reducing your EGG.
Okay,
We are going to play a Luffy and swing 6 into 5, doing arrested onto my leader.
I'll give you 2K.
I'm going to swing again 6 into 5.
And I will give you a different 2K. Well, the same one
Amazing.
again.
Your turn.
Okay, so that's what's happening, I see. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go 8 into your Luffy.
8.
Ichichi. 8. You get to give me.
Hmm. I'm going to give you a lead ability
Yep.
and a 2K.
And I'm gonna go 9 at him next.
I'm going to let him die.
And I'm gonna play another Cosette and pass.
Is disgusting.
Yeah, this is not a game we should be recording.
One card in hand?
2, I think. Yeah, 2.
Cool. Okay, okay, okay. I think we can do this better. We can do this better, my friend.
No way.
We will do following. We will play a rally, doing -3 to your EGG, -2 to your Sanji, and KOing your blocker. And we're going to swing 4 into 5, 5 into 4.
5 into 4. Sorry, that's. Let me think.
Give me your 2K. Come on.
Let me think. Man, this game sucks.
Completely.
Man, this game sucks. I will give you my 2K.
Your turn.
uh, no, not now. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, and I've only done -1, so I'm on 8 done, which is kind of wild.
This is really wild.
Yeah, this is like. This is not bringing joy, is it? Oh my god.
I don't want to give you the stage from life,
I know you don't want to. I'm gonna go 6 with Ichiji.
I'm going to do leader ability and give you a 1K.
I'm gonna go 5 with leader.
I take and have no trigger.
And I'm gonna go 6 with Sanji.
I'm going to give you a 2K.
And you go
Cards in hand.
2.
I draw for turn. Oh, this is getting interesting.
No, not that. Oh my god.
I go 8 into Ichiji.
Yeah,
So 8 into 6.
that's a terrible death.
Then we go 5 to leader.
I will take it.
We go 12 to leader.
Yeah, definitely not countering that with 3 cards in hand.
Really? Why? Where is your free K counter card? Your turn.
Oh my god. So that's a 1. Can I get out of this? I don't think that gets me out of this. Okay, cool. So that's there. So I'm gonna be playing Judge.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna be playing Judge. And that's gonna be letting me trust 2 cards. Like these 2. And on -1. To return 2 of my buddies. Like those 2. And draw a card of leader ability. Up to 3 in hand. And then I'm gonna bring back a radio to draw 2. Oh my god, this is a bit bewildering. How many cards you have in hand? You said
4.
4. Okay. This is bewildering and not that fun, but I think we're gonna have to do what we can do. Oh my god. Yeah, let's transform the Ichiji. And that's a 6k Ichiji.
René, did you want?
I'm gonna give -2k to...
Rebecca and Ploofy is not a good matchup.
It didn't look right.
I win if he doesn't open like 2 Linlins in his first 10 cards and deck 2 games in a row. Then I win, but
Yeah,
that happened twice.
that's
So I lost.
fair enough. I'm gonna get down the Rayleigh to a 6.
Okay.
And I'm gonna be going 5 into your leader.
I am going to take.
And I'm gonna be gamma knifing your Rayleigh down to a 1 and going
Okay.
6 into your Rayleigh.
This is disgusting. This already is dead.
Yeah, and you go. I think I probably should have gone 1 into your Rayleigh with him first, actually. I forgot he
Yes,
could
yes,
attack.
yes. Cards in hand.
Oh no, it's a card in hand. 4.
5. 4.
4, yes, 4. Yeah.
Can I go for a game here? Or am I just dead if I go for a game? What can we do? What can we do?
You have 6.
I think we have a solution.
Yeah.
We are going to give.
I'm just gonna make sure this is like accurate because otherwise I'm gonna confuse myself like a lot. So
Yeah, we're going to give like a -3 to your Ichiji.
down to a 3.
And -2 to your Rejo.
Down to a 2.
And we are going to pop Ichiji. Then we are going to do 7 leader.
Can I survive from this? Can I survive from this? You have 5 cards in hand now?
I have 5 in hand, yes.
Can I recover from this somehow? I don't believe I can. Does it matter to be on 1 life or 0 life? Oh my god. Basically all I got 2 swings, maybe 3. It's not enough. I don't think this is a survivable scenario. But I might need. It's definitely not gonna be enough. I'm gonna hit that life. I'm gonna hit this too. I'll give you 2k and a 1k.
And we go 12k to leader.
That I'm absolutely eating.
Your turn.
That's not what I wanted to see.
So Rejo is 2000.
Yep, Rage is 2000. Sanji's 1000. He's. Yeah.
You have 4 in hand now or 5?
I have 4 in hand right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with 7 at lead.
We will take and pop your yeah.
That's Raju. Yep. That is very fairly annoying. Can I get out of this? I don't think I can. I'm gonna go 7 at life again.
How much done left?
6.
I'm going to use leader ability,
Mm-hmm.
giving you 2 1 kills.
Ooh, that is fun. Gonna play stage, getting rid of stage. It's not what I needed. Not what I needed. I could all.
I guess you need a small radio.
No, because I don't have a big radio on trash. So that's
Yeah,
not good.
that's the reason why I did not pop the big one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can hard cast it.
It is 1-1. Yeah. I'm gonna play Porch. Ton -1. Take a look at the top 5. Find a chopper.
Of course he has the chopper.
That's not super relevant right now. And I will play the chopper. Since I don't -1, I draw 1. The chopper recovers me 1. And I will pass turn.
How many cards in hand?
3.
Okay, I know one is a big radio, so you can go up to 10. And I draw for turn. I mean, it should be Muff, I guess. 10 to leader.
I'll take.
Uh, 12 to leader.
I'll block.
13 to leader.
On 2, I do nothing. GG.
GG's, mate.
Yeah, I needed to find one more chopper. Uh,
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I had also like a dragon in hand, but would not change anything.
No, I don't think
I had like
math-wise
3
it changed.
dragons. I had like 3 dragons in hand. So.
Yeah, I was thinking like basically my best course